Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Being Guru Electrical Channel. This is Mujib Raza with you with a new topic. Today we will see a direct online starter. So in this starter we have a contactor and overload relays, and we have a start stop push button to control this motor. So before going to start the video, if you are new in the channel, so hit the subscribe button and turn on notification to receive the channel updates. So now let's start. So you can see here this L1, L2, L3 is the supply, three-phase supply, which is connected to this motor. So this motor is connected to the supply through contactors and overload relay. So this contactor is used for the control of the motor, and this overload is used for the protection of this motor in case of overload condition. Then this is the power circuit. This all is the power circuit. Then we have below control circuit to operate this motor. So what we are doing, we have here fuse, this is fuse, and this is transformer. So what is happening, we are taking the line supplies and we are stepping down this, maybe 24 volt or 48 volt depending on the control, maybe 110 volt, doesn't matter. So we have the low voltage supply, and then we have protected by a fuse. So if there is any issue, so this fuse will protect this circuit. So what is happening, we have a stop push button here. This is stop push button, normally close. This is start push button, normally open. And this is the contactor coil. You can see this M is referring to this contactor coil. So what is happening, if you close this switch, what will happen, the supply will come from here. This is closed, so it will pass from here. Then if close this, it will pass the supply to this coil. So this contactor will close and it will start conduction. So it will start conduction, the supply will through from here to the motor. So this, when this is energized, this contact will close. So if you release this start push button, this motor will be still running due to this latched contact. So your motor will be start. So this is like push button. If you click and release, so the motor will start. So then we have this overload normally closed contacts. So in case of any overload condition on any of the phase, so we have 3 NCs overload contacts. So in any phase, if there is any overload, so that phase overload will be open and it will disconnect or de-energize this magnetic contactor coil, and it will turn off this motor. So this is how we are controlling the motor operation in case of any overload. And if you want to stop this motor, you have to press this normally closed stop push button. So if you open this, so this contactor will de-energize and this contact will open, so it will turn off this motor. So this is the direct online starter. This is circuit is for DOL starter. This is starter. So this is DOL starter, and this is the power. This is power drawing, and this is the control drawing. So today we see DOL starter, power and control drawing. If you have any question, do let us know in the comment section, and do like the video, share with your friends, and if you didn't subscribe to the channel till now, so subscribe now. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.